then just like shoot it. Actually, if you go down there, if you walk further down, and then
fly drone.
and then I'll like fly towards you.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Okay, how far? Is this good? Okay. Fly towards me. I can't hardly even see it. I can't even see it, man. I don't think my camera can see it. It's too tiny.
I almost lost Betsy a few times today. I went way up there and then it was like,
Very
oh, then I
durable.
almost got stuck in the tree.
Very durable though.
But this is very maneuverable. I can get out of like, very durable drone.
Very
man.
maneuverable. The Phantom's not this maneuverable.
No, the Phantom could not get in and out of this. It's just too big. The big ones cannot navigate as quickly.
Oh yeah.
Powered by the Hubsan Q4, X4 actually. Very maneuverable. Will get you out of every sticky situation, including flying between trees where you shouldn't be in the first place. But you can survive with the Hubsan X4.
You gotta go on so many trips.
Yeah.
Then I come back.
There's
There's like the drone and the Osmo and everything. Oh my god. Nice.
You can go like riding bikes, motorcycles, scooters, anything.
There's like so much potential. So many possibilities.
Fly out over this massive space.
Oh my god. Amazing.
Amazing. Go see this big. You can shoot it like high as possible. It doesn't go 2K or 4K.
Oh, it's at 720.
No, you can shoot higher.
Full HD now.
Full HD.
Alright.
Today we did some very cool drone flying with the Hubsan X4. We tested how it performs in windy environments outside in nature. It does not perform well in lots of wind, but light winds will be fine. What we did some test flights, flybys, going straight away to the camera. We also did some test flights straight up into trees, trying to navigate around the branches and bring it back down safely, which I was able to do pretty well. And we also did some test flights over the open space a little bit. But the problem is it is so windy today that you basically lose control instantly as soon as you go up any amount of height. So that's the main thing you want to worry about is wind with a smaller drone. Now with the Phantom in our later videos, you'll see that it's much more durable in wind environments. See you later.
Alright. Let's continue on this hike.
And that'll be like one of the first of our drone P&E drone series.
Got so many like gaming video.
You know, like shitloads of them.
So varied. It's like one person watched the Dead or Alive footage and then after that it was just go to the drone footage. Like, oh, is this the same people?
Yeah, exactly. Drop into far side with people running.
Yep. We gotta have that.
Yep.
Oh.
This is where I want to fly the drone with a good camera. Right over here.
Yep. Through the trees. Oh.
Different modes for export and stuff.
Yeah, they do. But I haven't experimented too much with that.
Because they're much more maneuverable and higher settings, I guess.
I haven't experimented too much with that.
This is a good place for a shot around here.
Yep. Alright.
Ultra HD 4K video. I can do slow-mo too.
Yeah.
So Sean, how was our video taking session today?
Very successful, I think.
Yes. And
Yeah.
She survived.
Yes. Many challenges. It's beautiful weather.
Just don't trip over the stone. The Osmo is not going to trip you.
Yeah. I like my toys. Dude, we should just get all the cameras at the same time and record us.
Yeah, I know.
Like everything. Yeah, like the Osmo drone, a whole bunch of cameras,
Like 4 different cameras.
the wide angle.
Oh my god. The ultimate camera overload.
Actually, I can probably even like that. Wide angle is probably small enough. It's light enough actually for me to even strap onto a drone.
Yep.
And I got like 2 different cameras on the drone.
This is super sharp.
It's really sharp.
This
Yeah.
is 4K. You want to use it on screen.
Oh yeah, you gotta see that on your TV.
Yeah, I still gotta shoot my, I still gotta do iMovie, edit my Japanese script. I got a lot of 4K footage with the CC and stuff.
Yeah.
I have to do that today.
iMovie's really good.
I'm just doing that today. Pretty quick stuff.
Oh.
Hey man, I really want to take the Phantom and go like blasting out over this
Oh my god, that'd be amazing.
right here and then go right to the ocean. That's what we should be doing.
Next time, just wait for our next episode
Yeah.
coming up in December.
Next episode of T&E Fly Drones.
Coming up in December.
No, earlier.
Maybe earlier than that.
Should be back earlier.
Maybe earlier than that, maybe November.
Man, that's gonna be like end of 2016, dude.
It's already pretty fast. It's already end of April,
Oh
man.
my god. I gotta save a lot more money this year for sure.
Wait, how's your, do you have enough battery right now? Because this will be actually,
This will be good.
this like a nice, you have actually a nice incline from up there.
Yeah.
Can you do it again?
Huh?
Can you do it again? That's better.
See that?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think I can't. Alright, fly towards me. Whoa.
You get that?
Yeah. Whoa, so fast. Whoa, oh my god. No, I don't think you can see it up there.
No, can't. This is dangerous. If it goes down,
You'll never find it again.
I'll never. It's fucking gone.
Yeah, yeah, that's $40.
That's $40 like flushed down the toilet.
Yeah.
But there's no interference here. I should be able to go really damn far.
Can you even see it? I
Yeah.
can't even. Where is it?
Right here.
Oh. Whoa.
Whoa! Look at that.
Oh my god. It is.
Oh! I trimmed the bushes. Trimming the tree.
Oh my god.
It's far, man.
That's really far.
I don't trust like to go too much further. There's no come home feature. This is like permanently go to trees. Check battery. Battery's still good. Woo, that's pretty far.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no interference here, so I can go like, dude, the Phantom would go super far.
Plus, we can see the video feed from the
Dude,
Phantom.
we gotta do Phantom for sure.
This one, you had no idea what it's
I have
seeing.
no
so.
fucking idea.
So if it goes really far, you basically lost it. Yeah.
Look at that. I can go like vertical, like super fucking fast.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, a lot of wind.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh my god. This might be the last flight.
Oh, let's see. Oh my god, wind. Oh!
Oh my god.
Whoa, the wind.
Oh, oh, oh,
There you go.
oh. The wind is just fucking with it everywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, it's taking it away. Ah, ah, ah.
Whoa.
It's
God.
too-
Whoa.
You can barely see it.
Oh, I'll try to follow it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god. This is like Star Wars style. I should put a camera. Get the one with the camera, definitely.
No, just go Phantom if you get a camera.
Phantom, you can't really.
Well, it's not this maneuverable, but there's no point to have a camera if you're not stable. So.
Right.
Whoa, it's really high up there. I can. Oh no, I might get stuck in the
Oh, yeah.
trees.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, I got really close to it.
Oh, I really can't.
Oh my
really
God.
can't fly this thing.
Whoa, that was pretty good.
That was super epic flight. Gotta turn it. It works better if I stand. Oh, oh, oh.
Uh
I can't tell the direction.
oh.
Way the hell down there, dude.
Nice.
Oh, oh.
Oh. Oh.
Here's some owl. Oh, oh, oh. Looks like a little bug.
Oh my god. It's like way up there. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like a little bug. It's quite maneuverable.
Very. I can get out of these tree danger spots.
Oh, go through the branches.
Shit. Oh shit. Yeah, but coming down is much harder. Betsy is surviving. I feel like the battery's dying. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's low battery.
Alright. That's good.
The flight of Betsy is complete.
Alright, nice job.